where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're exploring the art of front yard landscaping with steps and tips for elevate your home's curb appeal and create a welcoming entrance. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. In this video, we will delve into the concept of front yard landscaping with steps, its benefits, and practical tips for creating a stunning design. We'll also discuss essential elements to consider for a beautiful and functional space. Front yard landscaping with steps involves incorporating steps into your landscape design to navigate changes in elevation. It can be a practical solution for homes on sloping terrain or to create a visually interesting entrance. There are numerous advantages to incorporating steps into your front yard landscape. First, improved accessibility. Steps provide safe and easy access to your front door, especially for those with mobility challenges. Second, enhanced curb appeal. Well-designed steps can significantly improve your home's aesthetic appeal. Third, functional zoning. Steps can divide your landscape into distinct areas, such as a seating area or a garden. Fourth, drainage control. Steps can help to control water flow and prevent erosion. Fifth, visual interest. Steps can add a dynamic element to your landscape design. How to decorate your front yard landscaping with steps. To create a beautiful and functional front yard landscape with steps, consider these tips. First, choose the right materials. Select materials that complement your home's architecture and style. Second, plant strategically. Use plants to soften the hard lines of the steps and create a welcoming atmosphere. Third, incorporate lighting. Add ambient lighting to highlight the steps and create a warm and inviting ambience. Fourth, add decorative elements. Use decorative elements like sculptures, urns, or garden art to personalize your space. Fifth, maintain regularly. Keep your landscape looking its best with regular maintenance, including pruning, weeding, and watering. Here are some essential items for a stunning front yard landscape with steps. 1. Landscape lighting. Illuminate your steps and pathways with stylish outdoor lighting. 2. Ornamental grasses. Add texture and movement with ornamental grasses. 3. Perennial flowers. Choose perennials that bloom at different times of the year for continuous color. 4. Shrubs. Use shrubs to create privacy and define different areas of your landscape. 5. Decorative planters. Add a touch of style with decorative planters. 6. Water features. A small water feature, like a fountain or bird bath, can add a calming element. 7. Outdoor furniture. Incorporate comfortable seating, such as a bench or chairs, to create a relaxing outdoor space. 8. Outdoor rugs. Define outdoor seating areas and add a pop of color with outdoor rugs. 9. Outdoor art. Add personality to your landscape with sculptures, wall art, or other decorative items. 10. Mulch. Use mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and enhance the visual appeal of your landscape. And to complete and final inspiration, here are 10 inspiring ideas for front yard landscaping with steps. 1. Classic formal garden. Create a symmetrical, formal garden with manicured hedges, topiaries, and geometric patterns. Use steps to transition between different levels of the garden. 2. Cottage garden. Embrace a romantic and whimsical style with a mix of colorful flowers, winding paths, and rustic elements. Use steps to create a sense of discovery and surprise. 3. Modern minimalist. Keep it simple with clean lines, minimalist furniture, and natural textures. Use steps to create a sense of depth and dimension. 4. Zen garden. Create a tranquil oasis with a minimalist design, raked gravel, and carefully placed rocks. Use steps to lead visitors to a focal point, such as a small pond or sculpture. 5. Tropical paradise. Embrace lush, tropical plants, vibrant colors, and exotic textures. Use steps to create a sense of elevation and drama. 6. Mediterranean style. Incorporate terracotta tiles, wrought iron, and Mediterranean-inspired plants for a classic look. Use steps to create a sense of intimacy and seclusion. 7. Woodland garden. Create a serene and natural setting with shade-tolerant plants, moss-covered rocks, and winding paths. Use steps to navigate the terrain and create a sense of adventure. 8. Desert garden. Embrace the beauty of arid landscapes with drought-tolerant plants, rocks, and gravel. Use steps to create a sense of scale and drama. 9. Urban oasis. Maximize space with vertical gardens, raised planters, and compact furniture. Use steps to create different levels and add visual interest. 10. Eclectic mix. Combine different styles and elements to create a unique and personalized look. Use steps to transition between different areas of the garden and highlight specific features. Remember, the key to a successful front yard landscape with steps is to consider the overall design, the specific needs of your space, and the desired aesthetic. By carefully selecting plants, materials, and layout, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create a beautiful home. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.